Hi everyone, this is John from MEV. In this video, I will be showing you how to use MEV and why our MEV Bot is the most profitable and easiest to use MEV Bot in the community today. The first thing I'd like to show you is the live transaction page, where you will be able to see all the transactions that MEV does every minute. At the top of the page, you'll be able to see our contract address, which you can also open on Etherscan if you'd like to explore MEV transactions in more detail. For now, let's go back to the live transactions page and look at some of the sandwich opportunities that MEV is finding every minute. As you can see on the screen, MEV tries to find sandwich opportunities in all ERC20 tokens, including YFI, ALCX, USDT, and so on. MEV analyzes the mem pool for front-running or sandwiching opportunities, and when it finds one, it quickly and automatically acts on it. If, for example, MEV finds a potentially profitable token purchase order, the bot will quickly purchase the same token ahead of the initial order and resell it at an elevated price, automatically. This is how MEV makes profits. Now, the next question is, how can you participate in this and use MEV for yourself? First, let's check on Start MEV Bot. Now that we are on the MEV Bot interface, we're able to directly connect our wallet, providing liquidity for MEV, and start using the bot. As you can see on the screen, all of the current indicators such as your assets at the top, your profit today, and so on are all at zero. These values will change and start updating at real time once you start using MEV. In the middle of the screen, you can see how many user addresses are currently being used and the total capital of the MEV pool. Let's now proceed to using MEV. First, begin by choosing the wallet you'd like to use on MetaMask. MEV requires a minimum wallet value of 0.5 Ethereum or more. The larger the value of your wallet, the more profits you'll be able to make. As you can see here, we've loaded 5 Ethereum onto the wallet that we will be using in this example. We will now click on the Connect Wallet button at the top right of the interface. You will now be able to choose which wallet provider you use, including MetaMask, Coinbase, Wallet, Binance, or others, and connect the wallet you'd like to use. We've now successfully connected and granted access to MEV. The values on the screen now reflect the amount we've loaded onto MEV. As you can see at the top of the page, we have 4.97 Ethereum on MEV. This is slightly inferior to the 5 Ethereum we had in our wallet due to gas fees. We will now begin using MEV by clicking Provide Liquidity at the bottom, followed by Start. Once that is done, you will have officially joined the MEV pool, and MEV will automatically start working in the background. You can track all the sandwich transactions by scrolling below. We will now leave MEV on and come back 24 hours ago to check our profits. A little bit over 24 hours has passed since we let MEV work. We can see that our current asset balance is now at 5.42 Ethereum, with our profit being $874.70. In the middle of the interface, you can see that your rate of return is 9%. This rate will range from 3% to 9%, depending on how many opportunities MEV was able to capitalize on during that time period. You can also keep tabs on your initial investment, which was $9,718.88, equaling the 4.97 Ethereum that we've loaded with our account earlier based on the Ethereum rate at that time. At the right of the screen, you can see the total revenue that was made with your account, which is $3,948.82. MEV takes a percentage of the revenue generated for letting you use our service and gives you a percentage to keep its profits, which is the $874.70. At this point, you can either let MEV keep running or withdraw your assets. For the sake of this example, we will click Withdraw and pull out all of our assets. After clicking Withdraw, open up your wallet. Withdrawal should take anywhere between 30 seconds and 2 minutes. We have now withdrawn all of our assets with our cut of the profits, for a total of 5.42 Ethereum after 24 hours. Please keep in mind that the rate of profits will vary every day. Some days will be lower than others. If you would like to restart AlphaMev again, all you have to do is click Recharge, as you have already connected your wallet previously. You do not have to connect your wallet again. Simply click Recharge, and AlphaMev will load your assets again and keep working. That is all for the video today. We would like to thank all of our users for your commitment to AlphaMev, and we encourage all of you to join us in making AlphaMev the #1 most profitable MEV bot on the Ethereum network.